Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. I draw comics and children's picture books. Today is Wednesday, April the 7th. And for this day of the drawing challenge, I'm going to break a drawing up into several parts. I'm going to do the pencils first. What I'm going to draw here, this is Lorraine Hester. She's a saloon girl from my Wild West comic strip, Poison Ivy Gulch. This is a model sheet of the character, going by that. I'm going to do some basic, put down pencils here of the character. Alright, see? Just going to do a basic line there. Alright, now that I've laid down the basics here, I think I have enough light. I'm just going to put in the tighter pencils. Alright. The eyes here for the character are conjoined rather than being separate. Lorraine Hester I actually drew back when I first started designing the cast of Poison Ivy Gulch. It wasn't, though, until maybe about 2021 that I incorporated her into the story. Alright, let's just do the pencils here. Alright, I like giving my ladies an hourglass figure. Again, the female body is built differently from the male body. Alright, here we go. Let's add in some of her hair. She's a brunette. In fact, one of the later stages of this drawing, I'm going to be coloring it in with marker. Give her some brown hair. Let's work on that nice dress of hers. And now she's starting to look like something. Let's make the hair a bit bigger and puffier. And there we go, a nice pencil drawing of the lovely Lorraine Hester from Poison Ivy Gulch. That does it for this part of the drawing challenge. Tomorrow I'm going to ink her, so stay tuned for that video. Subscribe to the channel with that subscribe button below. Until next time, this is Max West saying goodbye.